already have the number 1 pink or peach on my lips. I'm going into my classic KK Beauty palette. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So beautiful. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm just having like the worst luck with my products. I just digged into that. And I'm going to do a really quick eye look with this palette. Let's see. Okay, I am going in with a Morphe M433 brush, and it's just a fluffy brush. I'm going into Gemini, and I'm just gonna set it right on my crease. Now with my BH Cosmetics number 6, I'm going into Family. This is the shade Family right here. This beautiful mauve. It looks like a mauve, like a taupey mauve color. And I'm going to build this on my crease. Okay, so for my lid, I'm going in with Saint. Oh, Sainty. We're going in with Saint, and I'm going to use my pinky. And I'm just going to lay it. Oh, tap it. Look at that. Jeez, so good. I feel like Kim K already. Amazing. Okay, so that is Sainty on the lid. Now I'm going to start building my crease up with Dash. This is Dash right here. Right there. And now that we have that color set, we are going to blend it out. I'm going to blend it out with a Morphe M506, just like this. And I'm going back into Actually, I'm not gonna pick up a color. I'm just going in. Okay, I'm going into Calabasas right here. And I'm going to use this shade to blend out back in with Dash just to intensify my color back up. Just like so. I am going in with Chicago. Yes. Yes, it is Chicago in my Morphe 433. Picking this up, and I'm going to place this right in my tear duct and bringing it up to my brows. Just love doing this to my eyes. Now with the same brush that I used in Dash, I'm going to go into the darkest color, which is Fade. Ooh, so pigmented. The littlest amount of product, and I'm going to work it on the same crease, but right under all of those other colors that I laid down in my crease. So right here. Just gonna make a little there. I'm like getting Kim K vibes for sure. Kind of want to do a halo eye, but I always do that. I think that's good. We'll leave it at that. Picking up fade. I'm gonna work it on the outside. Just right there. Slowly start building the color up. So every time I'm going into my pan, my eyeshadow pan, it's to pick up the most littlest of pigment. So I'm literally tapping it like that. And you see all that pigment? I always dust it off. So I start building that color by patting it and then blending it into my shadow. And honestly, that's how like my makeup game has changed. Like just being more patient, taking my time, and just really blending it in. Going into Dash, and I'm bringing that color right before fade. And I'm blending in fade into Saint, just so there's a nice gradient into my color. This palette is everything. Everything. I'm so happy I got it. Going into Selfish. I'm bringing a little bit of the color on this part and blending it out on the outside of your eye. Just the lightest of the touch. It's almost like you're feathering color in little by little. Oh, it's so pretty. Hacia mi vida. Do I look like Kim K yet? I'm going back in with a little bit of Saint on a paddle brush just so I don't get it everywhere this time around. Just patting it right where I had it before because I don't want it to overpower my look. I want it to stay smoky, but I want it there. With the Morphe M507, I'm picking up a little bit of the first color that I laid down. I'm going in with a little bit of the shade Family on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm just going to clean the brush off on my hand. And I'm going in with Selfish right under. Going in with Selfish. Right under the first color. And then I'm going in with, let me see, it's Fade. I'm going in with Dash. These eyeshadows are really like pigmented and easy to blend and just like so good. So I'm going in with my nose brush that I use to highlight my nose, and I'm going to clean it off, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of that fade, and I'm going to use this brush because it's so tiny and small and it's a little bit more firm, and I'm going to just drag it along my lash line. just like so. Oh, this is so beautiful. Just going to take that fade color and I'm going to press it on my lash line. Oof, girl. I like don't even want to put lashes on because I feel like it's going to hide the shadow. Okay, so far this is the eye look. I'm going to do my lashes and then I will be back. And if you guys really did like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty looks like this. And yeah, this is just like everything. Like I even I didn't want to do like a heavy lash either because I didn't want to take away from the eye look, so I just ended up getting like these wispy lashes from like my kit. I always have wispy lashes there. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. So keep an eye out for more videos like this. I have a lot of them coming your way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and adios.